Would you like to trade the cryptocurrencies with a precise trading system? In this course, you will learn a strategy that you can use for any of the cryptos. Hello dear traders, this is Petko Aleksandrov from EA Forex Academy and I'm happy to welcome you to the Ethereum trading course. In this course, I will share with you a trading system for the Ethereum where we take the profit in 3 different places and at the same time we protect our capital. This is fundamentally important because one of the most common mistakes the traders do is to wait too long before taking the profit. Basically, they wait for the price to reach the skies. Obviously, the cryptocurrency market proved that this is not the reality. It is not just one direction to go, and in this course I will teach you how to trade in both directions. This means that you will be able to profit when the price goes up and when it goes down. No matter where you are at your trading journey, are you a beginner trader or you are experienced in trading, with this masterclass you will learn how to build the analysis step by step from scratch. I'm going to teach you how to identify the current trend because it is vital to trade in the right direction and with the direction of the trend. By the end of this course, you will learn in detail the complete trading system that we follow, what steps exactly we take to enter on the market, where we place the stop loss to protect the capital, and where we take the profit. What's more, I have included trading examples and you will learn how to practice this strategy on a virtual account without risking any real capital. Trading with precise strategy will eliminate the emotions in your trading and will make you feel more confident in what you are doing.